Hi 326 Express. I am a lady married with 4 kids. My husband had a really good job. And before he got the job, we used to go kunobvunza kumaswe tichitsvaga rubatsiro. Chokwadi zvakashanda vakawana basa. Zvisineiwo kubasa kwavo kwakabva kwadzingwa vanhu. Basa ravo rikapera. I was a housewife, but I realized I needed to step up and do something. I started buying and selling car parts. And this was from the money ndakatotumirwa nebrother yangu iri ku-UK. So when it came to providing mumba, I was doing most of it. And I didn't have a big problem with it. My husband, semurume, aimuka achibuda. Pamwe pacho, ongodzoka ngumba akabata loaf rechingwa. It became a bit more frequent. Akuuya negrocery, but at this point I was paying rent and paying fees dzevana. I wanted to ask him, kuti how was he managing to buy for us? Arikuita madhiri api? Asi imwe pfungwa yakangoti ndirege. If I ask, ndinenge ndaita kakumudzikisira semurume. So I just observed. Pamwe vachitouya netumatoyi twevana. So an old friend of mine wekusowe sent me a picture on WhatsApp. Achiti kwa muna kutiudza kuti manesowe renyu rinotungamirirwa nababa. Ndakashamisika because I was not aware of this. Vedare one day I decided to follow him to find out kuti vaitoshandira vanhu. I didn't confront him then. I heard him achitaura pafoni shamwari yake achiti unganidza chaungatiite plan yacho. When I asked him, he said he was called to do so, but I am convinced he is staging it. Now I don't know what to tell him and how to tell him to stop lying to people. Vachita unge vanorapa. I didn't know kuti vanga vapererwa kusvika palevel iri. I don't know how to approach this matter. Ndibatsireiwo vedare. Nekuti I feel murume wangu ari kunyepera vanhu. At the same time, I also don't want to go against him. Ko kana zviri spiritual vemashuwa. Iyo ihot topic yetu yanamhlanje.
You see, with spiritual things you never know, ka. Kukanaka todanwa. Zvimachokwadi. Yeah. So, what was the question?
So the question is, she doesn't know how to approach this matter. How she can stop the husband from lying to people, and if she does, is she not going against, maybe it will not have spiritual implications if truly he's called.
Yeah, I'm getting messages kunzi kana akadanwa, why hide kuti akadanwa kwacho. Yeah, and it's a calling, someone says. Okay. What's your reaction, Saki? Before I open my phone lines.
I think, you know what, most of the times we take for granted the feeling of losing a job to a man. I think a lot of men, when they lose their job, it just takes away something from them, and they just feel the need to provide, to be the sole provider, and kuona mukadzi achiita zvaari kuita, and pamwe pacho unosvika pererwa to the last point. And I think that's where this guy pakasvika kuti azoita zvietira handizoziva hangu kuti vakazoribatanidza sei kuti vaunganidze vanhu neshamwari yavo. I don't know.
Anza kuna calling yakadaro, he just wants to be the father asingachengetwe nemukadzi. Yeah, hanzi murume ari pahustle kuisa food patafura. Can you let murume aite yaari kuita? Haasi kubira munhu, ari kubira vanhu. Kana chinyepa
asina calling achiti ngatiunganidze ichaunga. What's he trying to say?
0772162651 or 0242660897660299. What to do here? Yeah. So many reactions. Hi, you are live on Star FM.